Investing isn't just about numbers, it's about mindset. Warren Buffett teaches us that the key to wealth lies in patience and discipline. He often says, the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. This means that instead of chasing quick gains, we should focus on long-term growth. Buffett emphasizes the importance of understanding what you invest in. Knowledge is your best asset. He famously invests in companies he believes in, those with strong fundamentals and a competitive edge. It's not just about the price, it's about the value. Diversification is crucial, but Buffett warns against over-diversifying. He prefers to concentrate on a few solid investments rather than spreading himself too thin. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep. Finally, cultivate a mindset of lifelong learning. The world of finance is ever-evolving, and staying informed is essential. Embrace mistakes as lessons and keep your focus on the long game. With these principles, you can pave your path to financial success.